Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Sunshine International Sales Department, and today I want to introduce some hot selling items in summer days. And we can see there is a 5-piece dining set. We can see the style is very simple and the color is very suited for the summer days. And then we can see this fabric. This is a very breathable fabric and it also has the waterproof function. So let me show you. We can see the fabric will be quick dry, so we don't need worry about to use it in the outdoor. And this is the summer day, so we can take out the fabric and just sit down on the aluminum board. It will be also comfortable, and it also will be more cooler. So if you are interested about us, and you can leave your message to us, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.